Hey everybody, it's Michael Houston with Heirloom Wealth Management. I'm the Chief Investment Officer and co-founder of the firm. I'm excited to be here with you today to field a question that we got from a client. Their question was, how do you think that my portfolio is going to perform in a difficult market environment? And they were talking about potential recessions or stagflation. And I'd love to talk about that because we've got some numbers around how their actual portfolio performed. And it did very well. And let's look at the window between 2020 and 2022. Because if you think about 2020 to 2022, we really had a difficult run. We had the pandemic, a bear market that resulted from that. Deflation, prices were going down, people couldn't do anything. We had a sharp rebound following that, and then that led into the inflationary spike through 2022. The way that we build portfolios is designed to be resilient across these environments. And the way we do it is to diversify better than our competition. And when we look at the numbers here from 2020, we were in the top 1% for our balance strategy relative to all competitors in the Morningstar category. 2021 had an outstanding year. In 2022, we really were off the charts. This was a year where if you invested with Heirloom in our balance strategy, stocks were down 20 to 30% depending on the index that you're looking at. Bonds had their worst year on record ever, hundreds of years of data. They've never had a worse year than 2022. Heirloom's balance strategy lost less than half of what bonds did. And they had 40% in stocks, 30% in bonds, 30% in alternative investments. And the reason why is our alternative investments perform very, very well. So, when our clients ask us, what do you think about the environment? It's going to be unpredictable, but we feel like portfolios are well positioned to continue being resilient. And I think the window we had from 2020 to 2022 is a great example of that. So hopefully you found this informative. Thanks for joining us.